Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to watch adult content on TikTok. The first step you have to take is to log into your TikTok app. So right here is my TikTok homepage. Next is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll gently, click on content preferences. Click on restricted mode. So if yours is turned on, you can just turn it off. Mine is turned on, so I just have to click on turn off option here and tell them my reason why I want to turn it off. So right here I can now watch adult content on TikTok because I have turned off my restricted mode. So guys, that's it on how to watch adult content on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.